We're on a landscaping job. We are going to be doing a cleanup. This is like a simple routine thing we do. We take the weeds out. We do a little bit of spraying. This homeowner, they want it to be like safe as possible, so we went with a vinegar solution. And then yeah, so just making sure that when it comes to the neighborhood and the HOAs and things like that, they want you to look like top notch. And then of course with me, it has to look better than everybody else. You need a little bit of tighten up, so we're gonna prune them up a little bit. Refresh the pine straw. You check out this lower petalum, way overgrown. It's like almost 2 stories, I guess, getting close. So we're gonna clean that up, tighten it up. Look at this bed, it's a mess, so it's gonna be a lot of hand pulling. Taking out the Zoysia strip from the bed, making it look good. It's gonna get hand pruned. Fig's gonna get hand pruned. Pine straw, blowing out all the leaves from the beds. This is just a simple cleanup, nothing major. So pine straw's gonna go over here. We're gonna get the weeds out of the fence. Pull a little bit of hand pulling. Grow bed. Pull the weeds out the grow bed. This is a very diseased and unhealthy crepe myrtle, so that's gonna get removed. These guys will get tightened up. Stay tuned.